Hello everyone, this is AT Microwave. Today we present a rack-mounted frequency multiplier with a multiplication factor of times 1/8. Frequency coverage 223/130 GHz. The input requires a signal level of 0 to +5 dBm. 12-volt power supply. This is the RF input port. It is equipped with an adjustable attenuator, which can adjust the output power. The adjustment range is between +3 to -30 dBm. Now let's observe its actual output. The test setup is ready. This is a 170-260 GHz power sensor. Although it cannot cover the full frequency range of our multiplier, but we can observe the output in the first half range. Now we power on the multiplier. Apply the signal. At 220 GHz, the output is 2.2 dBm. Let's increase the frequency. 230 at 3.5. 240 at 2.9. 250 at 3.5. Now let's check the adjustment range of the attenuator. The adjustment range is adjustable between +3 to -30 dBm. Let's decrease the frequency. -28.3. -30.9. -30.4 at 230 GHz. At 220 GHz, it's -29.5 dBm. Now we switch to a 260-400 GHz power sensor. Let's observe the output in the higher frequency range. At 300 GHz, the output is 5.2 dBm. At 290 GHz, it's 3.4 dBm. At 280 GHz, it's 4.3 dBm. Let's check the adjustment range. It's still adjustable between +3 to -30 dBm. This concludes today's demonstration. For interested customers, please follow our WeChat official account and mini program, where more products are available.